Because health-related conditions are a big part of the work that we treat at Healthy Mind Psychology, we are working with patients with a variety of conditions, including chronic pain conditions like fibromyalgia, CRPS, autoimmune disorders, chronic pain following surgeries or other traumatic events to the physical body. We also work with patients who have had other medical conditions such as cancer, heart conditions, cardiovascular issues, pulmonary issues, and long COVID. Another type of treatment that we often do is working with people who have health-related symptoms that don't have a clear medical explanation. We call these medically unexplained symptoms, or if they're more advanced and diagnosed by a neurologist, they could be functionally unexplained symptoms, FND, functional neurological disorder. So these are going to be different symptoms that people can really struggle with because there isn't a clear reason or diagnosis, but they are still very distressing overall. We work with people to have a better understanding of how emotion and stress might have impact on these symptoms and help people make sense of how to move forward with an ongoing physical health condition that doesn't have clear diagnosis or treatment plans. We see a lot of health-related conditions at Healthy Mind Psychology. We are just working with people to manage the stress of having medical conditions, and sometimes some of that management of that stress may have direct impact on the physical health conditions themselves. Some of the work we do is with chronic pain conditions such as fibromyalgia, CRPS, migraine, headache type work. But we also do things such as autoimmune disorders and other symptoms related to cardiovascular, chest pains, breathing difficulties, tinnitus, other sensory changes, temperature regulation issues. There's a whole host of medical symptoms that we are able to work with somebody to have a better understanding of how neurologically the mind and the brain and the body work together to potentially create these symptoms or how stress can exacerbate them.